Hello everybody, Happy New Year 2022. Honestly, I cannot believe we've gotten here. There is another massive giveaway happening this month. It's a 2022 care package from JENNIBELLIE, including a whole bunch of my physical products that I do not sell anymore, so you'll get like a JENNIBELLIE bundle of goodies. Then it's like self-care stuff that I think is really important, including skincare products, including skincare tools made out of jade and rose quartz, including candles, including chocolates, including classes from me, obviously from me. I don't know why I said that, obviously from me, including the Remedies Junk Journal class and the Lunar Manifesting with the Moon class, and another class which I haven't decided which one it will be yet, but it'll be 3-class bundle, as well as a whole bunch of like self-care stuff that I think is important. Invoke or pull up your feeling, you know, something that you feel from inside, from your guts, as to that's what I want for this year, that's what I want to feel for this year, that's how I want to be for this year, that's what I want to experience for this year.